Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa Binondo, sa may Ongpei, that's Binondo Church, and I'm here to do a walking vlog using the Xiaomi 13T. We're going to vlog around kasi kakain tayo ng pagkain sa Laylay Hotel. Along the way, mag-vlog na rin tayo, mag-shoot na rin tayo ng video using the rear camera of the Xiaomi 13T. Take note, this is a triple camera. 50 megapixel. Yung first, yung pangalawa niya, telephoto is at wide is 50 megapixel na rin din. Tsaka isa doon is 12 yata. No? At pagka meron tayo nakita interesting na mabibideo, pwede ko gamitin yung front camera niya na 20 megapixel. Alright, Binondo is a content creator haven. So usually sa mga food vlog, sa mga food content creation, dito sila nagpupunta to create content. And we are here. Sakto, may food trip tayo. Nakakaamoy ako ng gulaman. Gutom na. It's already around 12:30. So vlog na tayo. Switch na tayo to Xiaomi 13T. At mag-vlog na tayo. Walking tour tayo. Let's go and let's do this. Sun Cafe. Nakakain ako dyan ng Chinese New Year. Tayo nakakabalik dyan. Tayo sa kabila. So sana maganda yung stabilization ni Xiaomi 13T. Maybe after this, we'll say a comment na rin din. No? Because sa ating testing phase with the rear camera. Also, we're shooting it at the wide angle 0.6x. 0.6x. There's ang bitin. Ayan. Kasi pag naglalakad ako, lagi ako sa left side eh. Kasi sa kabila maraming tao. And there's the Chongqing. Sobrang daming tao. Oh my God, tayo sa gilid. Oh my gosh. Wow, pilang Chongqing. Grabe. Dapat si Chongqing gumawa ng second branch eh. Haba ng pila. Nung araw, wala namang pila eh. Tsaka yung cafe mezzanine din, no? Hindi ko nga alam paano ako kakain dyan eh. Let's go back here. Here's the Shoppers Mart. Dyan ako bumibili ng century egg and yung gulong na pork's leg na dalata. Let's walk. Let's record an image ng mga landmark here in Binondo. So ito yung Cristo de Longos. Ayan, para makita nyo na rin din. Let's walk. Balik sa left side. Imperial Sky Garden. Hindi ko na napansin ito. Sa hotel. At let's go back here kasi welcome to Manila Chinatown. Don't forget Mr. Ruben. And that's the kumbaga yung kabilang dulo ng arc. Sa kabilang dulo meron din. Oh, daming foreigners dito. So let's walk. Baka makasalubong natin si Michael soon. At uy, meron ito na. pusit. Sarap na, may ano, suka, oh. Wow. Usi-usi lang muna tayo kasi hello. Let's continue. Uy, grabe, avocado season na pala. Ito yung palaging pinipilahan, yung yung ihaw-ihaw na vegetables. Ayan, parang umulan na yan, parang maambon pa yata. Oh, copyright tayo. Right. Uy, ito naman dito, ito badger. Oh my God, umaambon. Kailangan natin maglakad na ng mabilis. Very quiet here in Ongping Street. Naninibago ako. I think malapit na tayo sa Laylay Hotel. Kaya yung mataas na building na yan, sa baba niyan dyan yung Laylay Hotel. Mukhang maganda yung quality ng Xiaomi 13T ah. And we're just vlogging around 5 minutes vlog. Drugstore. Power Mac. Daming tuktok. And here we go, Laylay Hotel. Welcome again. Pagkain ako tumawid. Alright. Here we go sa Laylay Hotel. Hello. Restaurant tayo. Ito pala yung yung coffee halo-halo yata. Here we go. Very interesting ah. Dito ata kami kakain eh. Yeah, I guess. Oh, yung wala na yung One Piece. Wala na yung statwa. Hello! Hello! Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. It's nice to be back here. At anong meron dito? Mga live fish. Alright, so I'll end my video here and I'll see you in a bit. Hello! Alright, nakita nyo na yung ating vlog test or camera test with the Xiaomi 13T. Ito siya, I forgot to show it to you. Ito ginamit natin kanina sa Binondo at I'm very happy with its quality. Pag daytime, maganda yung kanyang performance as comes to colors, also video stabilization, and also the pickup of the microphone. Sa likod ako ng phone, it's good. Malinaw siya, no? So, pero napansin ko yung sa previous vlog ko, nung ako sa may papuntang cinema, pag low light, medyo nagsasuffer din yung quality. Lumalabo siya. At para nag-jitters yung video quality niya pag low light. Tas kasi merong image stabilization eh. Maybe I need to do a lot of series test na low light naman tayo. Magwa-vlog tayo ng low light using the Xiaomi 13T. I'm very happy with its quality kasi yung nag-vlog ako dito sa Binondo, it's very clear. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Kahit naglalakad ako, hindi siya yung masyadong mauga, no? So, the test is a success. I'm very happy with it. At pwede itong gamitin for vlogging na rin din talaga and for mga travel videos. Alright, so that's it guys for our walking tour sa Binondo shot on Xiaomi 13T. So yun, at gagawa pa tayo ng series of tests, so abangan ninyo yun. So alright, I'll end my video here. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, kita-kits!